Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add spoiler on X. So first of all, let's go to X and you want to start a new post. So tap the plus sign button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you have to tap photo icon over here and select photo or video from your gallery that you want to post and hide. For example, this one. And now you want to start editing media. You have to tap this icon over here and tap the flag icon in the bottom right. And now you have to choose the appropriate warning category. So you can select nudity, violence, or sensitive. Actually, this sensitive is the most general and the best one for spoilers. So I will select this one. It will look like this. Tap done in the top right, tap save. Then continue writing your post, so you can add your title. And finally, when you're ready, you have to tap post in the top right to share your post with a spoiler. So let me post this one. And I will go to my profile to see how it looks. As you can see here, this is the post that I have just shared with a spoiler on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.